My name's Tim. I'm a personal trainer and a sports therapist, and here today to have my second hair transplant.
So it's a couple mils down, and then we'll just drop this one by a millimetre or two.
Before I had my first hair transplant, my hair had done the typical receding on the sides. Then I ended up having a bit of a comb over.
We'll make sure that we focus on this.
Yeah. With my first hair transplant, I was very, very happy with the results. My confidence came back pretty much overnight with regards to how much it had filled in. But over the course of 6 years, the other places that hadn't been touched just continued to thin a bit.
I just want what looks good for my face, nothing really new.
Yeah.
The reason I chose DHI is because I worked with several people who'd been here before and completely raved about it. I'd looked at other places and kind of shopped around a bit, but it was when I had a consultation here that I just felt very comfortable, and I thought this was just the perfect setup. The reason I'm here for my second transplant today is because I've got a little island in the centre of my head, so that's the primary issue that I'm going to now get filled in. Today I'm feeling excited and nervous. I'm excited because the day has now come. I'm nervous because of the process. I'm not nervous about any pain or any issues like that, so I didn't experience any of that last time. I guess it's quite a vulnerable position to put yourself in, but I'm in very good hands, so I'm fine.
Tim, he's had one previous transplant before. The transplanted hairs that he's had done were focused in the frontal area.
There's no pain whatsoever.
But behind that area, he started to lose some of the existing hairs that he previously had.
This morning went really well. I've had the extraction from the back and the side of my head. It's really comfortable. I actually fell asleep just because I was super relaxed, so it was really good.
Tim is fortunate that the extraction of the hairs is good. So we'll be able to get a really nice result with Tim, just like the first time he had it, and we'll get good coverage.
Having hair means for me confident. I work in a very customer-facing environment, and I'm actually extra sensitive about my hair continuing to thin. Coming to a place like DHI where this is their speciality, they know exactly what they're doing, this is what makes them great. There's a huge comfort that comes with that. It was really smooth, really, really easy. There was very, very little pain, nothing uncomfortable. Really happy. Oh wow, yeah. It suits my face really well. Yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you so much. That's really great.